All right, so this video is going to be about constructing parallel lines, and we're going to start out using GeoGebra. So go ahead, and once you get to geogebra.org, go to the geometry under Create Your Own, and we're going to start out with what's given to us, which is a line. I'm going to get two random points here, and a point that is not on the line. Once you have that, the first step is to construct a line through point C and intersecting the other line. Now, I'm just going to use one of the points we already created. It's just going to make it easier for us. Now, if we were doing this on paper, we would just be drawing arcs. Well, arcs are only part of a larger circle, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just draw an entire circle. Notice that there are arcs down here, but you either need 3 different points to construct an arc, or you can construct an arc using a center and 2 other points. Well, we don't have those other points. We want to make an arc to find other points, so that's why we're going to use a circle. Okay, so our first option, circle with center through point. Okay, we're going to draw the arc with the center at A, and I'm going to go ahead and put that other point somewhere on this line. Now, what this also, we've already got the intersection there, but we need this other intersection. So there is an intersection option here under the point. Go down to intersect. And we're going to just kind of hover over that and click right there, and it'll construct the intersection of that circle and our first line. Now, just because I know that this is going to get a little big, I'm going to move my point C down a little bit. All right, so now that we have that, we need to use our compass tool, because part of our next step is to use the same compass setting we just drew this circle with and draw another arc similar to it, or circle in this case, centered at point C. So you notice that it says compass, select segment or 2 points for radius. Well, our 2 points for the radius were A and D. Now we've got a circle that's the same size as the one we just drew, and we're going to put that center at point C. And again, this forms an intersection right there for us. Now the next step is, well, we need to figure out what's the distance between D and E, so we need to draw another arc if we were doing this on paper. So back to the circle with center through point. And we're going to draw that circle centered at D, going through E. So we can get our compass set to what we need it to be, right? We're going to get that compass setting. So our radius was DE. Now we've got a circle exactly like it, and we're going to center that at F. Again, we've got another intersection. So we have our new point. Now, the only thing left for us to do is draw our parallel line between the 2 points. So we actually constructed congruent angles like we have done before. And now we just need to finish off that line. So now you can see that this new line is parallel to our first line.